Welcome to our channel. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate gives you access to hundreds of games, Xbox Live Gold, and cloud gaming. Here's how to set it up simply. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console or open the Xbox app on your PC or mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the Store tab from the main menu. Step 3. Search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or find it in the featured subscription section. Step 4. Select the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription option and review the pricing and benefits. Step 5. Click on Join or Subscribe. You may see a promotional offer for first-time subscribers. Step 6. Enter your payment information or select an existing payment method on your Microsoft account. Step 7. Confirm your subscription purchase and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 8. Once activated, browse the Game Pass library and start downloading games immediately. Your subscription also includes EA Play access and cloud gaming capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.